Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to pay with Venmo in store correctly. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to make payments using their mobile device. To pay with Venmo in store, you will need to have the Venmo app installed on your device and a Venmo account. First, ensure that your Venmo account is set up and funded. You can fund your Venmo account by linking a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Once your account is set up and funded, you can proceed to make a payment in store. To pay with Venmo in store, look for the Venmo or PayPal logo at the checkout counter. Not all stores accept Venmo, so it is best to check with the cashier before you start the checkout process. If the store does accept Venmo, let the cashier know that you would like to pay with Venmo. Open the Venmo app on your device and navigate to the Scan tab. The cashier will provide you with a QR code to scan. Scan the QR code using the Venmo app and the payment amount will be populated. Review the payment amount to ensure it is correct. If you have a Venmo credit card, you can also use it to make a payment in store. Simply let the cashier know that you would like to pay with your Venmo credit card and they will process the payment as they would with any other credit card. Once you have reviewed the payment amount and confirmed that it is correct, you can proceed to authorize the payment. You will be prompted to enter your Venmo PIN or use Touch ID or Face ID to authenticate the payment. Once the payment is authorized, the cashier will receive confirmation that the payment has been made. It is best practice to review your Venmo transaction history regularly to ensure that all payments are accurate and authorized. If you notice any discrepancies or unauthorized transactions, contact Venmo customer support immediately. In summary, to pay with Venmo in store, ensure that your account is set up and funded. Look for the Venmo logo at the checkout counter. Scan the QR code provided by the cashier. Review the payment amount and authorize the payment using your Venmo PIN or Touch ID or Face ID. By following these steps, you can make payments in store using Venmo quickly and easily.